Hello, beautiful souls. Ever heard the whispers that dance is for the professionals, or that your move should be left to the privacy of your own shower? Well, let's toss out those beliefs out the window and say yes to a new rhythm of life. I am excited to invite you on a journey where dance becomes more than just movement. It's the universal language of the soul. In this video, we'll dive into celebrating your individuality, embracing authenticity, and gently setting aside the notion of perfection. Here, it's all about letting go of limiting beliefs and allowing yourself to be truly unlimited. Through a series of simple exercises, I will guide you to discover your unique rhythm and expression. These movements are all about you, crafted to help you connect with your inner dancer in the most genuine and liberating way. As we embark on this movement adventure, please remember, safety first. Dance at your own pace, and should any concerns arise, please consult a healthcare professional before joining the fun. You know I gotta give this disclaimer. You are the master of your own dance, and I am here to sprinkle in a touch of guidance and inspiration. So let's get started and unleash the infinite possibilities within. No matter who you are or where you're from, dance is an invitation extended to every single one of us. It's not about performing flawless pirouettes or mastering the moonwalk. It's about embracing every shape, groove, and wiggle that makes you wonderfully you. Your dance is a unique signature, a movement saga waiting to be told. Begin by planting your feet hip-width apart, feeling the ground beneath you as the foundation of your movement journey. Take a deep, centering breath, allowing each inhale to bring fresh energy into your body and each exhale to release any lingering tension. As you exhale, shake out your arms and legs, freeing yourself from stiffness and inviting fluidity. This initial grounding is a crucial step, for it not only relaxes your body, but also clears mental pathways to spark creativity. With a refreshed spirit, tune into your intuitive instincts. What movement calls to you at this moment? Is it a playful shoulder roll that captures your essence? A rhythmic foot shuffle that reflects your mood? Or perhaps a joyful spin that radiates your energy? As you explore these possibilities, remember that each move you create is a testament to your unique story. Your steps and gestures form a personal narrative spoken through the language of dance. This practice is a living canvas where precision takes a back seat to the authentic joy of self-expression. Celebrate the uninhibited spontaneity found in your movement and cherish the creativity that flows from embracing your true self. Dancing your signature move is not about following a set pattern. It's about connecting with what resonates within you, allowing authenticity and joy to lead the way. Let's dance beyond the mirror. This isn't about what you see, it's about what you feel. Forget the critics in your head and those you've encountered outside. Dance for you and only you. Dance because your body craves expression, freedom, and the joy of movement. This is your time to unchain the eternal dancer within, a spirit that longs to be set free, regardless of technique or tradition. Stand in a comfortable position and gently place your right hand over your heart, feeling its warmth and reassuring beat under your palm. Allow yourself a moment to connect with this gentle rhythm, the vital pulse that signifies life's energy flowing within you. If it feels right, close your eyes to deepen this inward focus, blocking out distractions and turning your attention to your inner world. Begin to sway gently from side to side, letting this motion align with your heartbeat. Each sway is an invitation to listen to the stories your heart tells, to the emotions held there, and to the natural rhythm that arises from within. As you immerse in this self-led sway, extend your arms wide with intention, like opening a pair of wings. Feel the openness and invite an influx of positivity and energy from the space around you. This movement symbolizes embracing the world, life, and the present moment. Next, bring your arms in and cross them around yourself in a nurturing hug. This gesture is an acknowledgement, a gentle affirmation of self-love and acceptance. Let this embrace hold you, releasing any self-doubt or criticism, reinforcing that dance is your personal space for healing and expression. Repeat this flowing cycle of opening wide and hugging close, creating a rhythm where giving and receiving love coexist harmoniously. As you move, feel the liberation from judgment and the tender guidance of your heart. Here, you dance freely, led not by how you look, but by how you feel, embodying a profound connection to yourself. Feel first, technique later. In this sacred space of movement, we set aside the need for perfection. Here, it's the feeling that takes center stage. Movement becomes our medicine, a daily ritual for healing, health, helping us discover who we are and what our bodies need. It's a gentle reminder that within us lies the power to heal and a wellspring of creativity and resilience. Dance knows no bounds. Every body, every ability has its own dance. Celebrate each step and sway as a testament to life and vitality. Here, there's no room for limitations, only endless possibilities to explore, express, and embrace. Begin by grounding yourself with feet planted firmly and securely beneath you, providing a solid base from which your movement will unfurl. Feel the connection to the ground, drawing stability and strength. Allow this foundation to empower your exploration. Extend your arms wide, opening them like wings, eager to embrace the sky. This expansive gesture signals your readiness to embrace the vast possibilities that lie before you. A full-body declaration of freedom and openness. Gently initiate sweeping circles with your hips, allowing your torso to follow, guiding the spirals through a fluid motion. Let your body lead each swirl, feeling the unrestricted flow, and savor the sensation of movement unfettered by limitations. These spirals are not merely physical expressions, they are symbolic of limitless potential, echoing your ability to transcend any box life might try to fit you in. As you find your rhythm, play with different dynamics. Start with slow, deliberate rotations to cultivate mindfulness and present awareness. Feel the grace of each measured circle, inviting calm focus and introspection. Gradually, let your circles widen and quicken. Inject vitality into your movements, increasing speed and expanding reach. Experience the exhilaration of freedom, allowing joy and energy to infuse each spiral. Revel in this exploration, breaking free from constraints as you discover the endless possibilities not only within the dance, but within yourself. These boundless swirls are a joyful reminder of your innate creativity and resilience, encouraging ongoing discovery and self-expression. Embrace the unique journey that each movement offers, celebrating the dance of life that lies beyond any boundary. Are you ready to release your inner eternal dancer from the confines of expectation? I hope so. Because together we can twirl, we can leap, and we can laugh as we discover the liberating truth that dance is an eternal gift, ever present and ever ready to lift our spirits and enrich our lives. As we conclude our soulful journey today, remember that setting your eternal dancer free is just the beginning. By embracing these movements, you empower your infinite creativity and transform it into a daily dance ritual that can enrich your whole life. If you've enjoyed this experience today, then I really want to share something with you, because I am giving away a completely free 15-minute guided experience that I've called Stress Liberation Dance to Renew and Unburden. And we can all use some reduced stress, right? I've crafted this experience with a lot of intention, using the powerful mind-body connection to help relieve stress and enhance holistic well-being. Plus, I'm giving you a resource-packed PDF to support your journey. Check the link in the description to sign up at no cost and embrace this opportunity to awaken your inner dancer with me. Let's continue our journey towards renewal together. To delve deeper into this transformative world of movement and dance, be sure to visit eternaldancers.com for more insights and inspiration. Don't forget to follow us on social media for daily doses of joy and creativity. Because if you've enjoyed our time together, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone seeking connection with themselves, peace in stressful times, or a powerful form of self-care. Let's continue to spread the magic of dance and celebrate the boundless possibilities that await all of us. So until next time, keep dancing and let your spirit shine. Free your eternal dancer and uplift and unleash your infinite creativity.